the shore, watched its glow drift evermore. The tide, it whispered soft and low, your name beneath its silver flow. I've walked these sands 1,000 years, through joy, through loss, through quiet tears. Each wave that breaks, each gull that cries, reminds me love never truly dies. Oh, my heart, sail back to me across the dusk, across the sea.